Meaning of garlic bread.
Garlic bread.
Garlic bread.
Garlic bread.
Garlic bread. Garlic bread is a popular dish made from sliced or wedged bread that has been infused with garlic and butter or olive oil. The bread is often toasted or baked until crispy, and may be served as a side dish, appetizer, or snack. Garlic bread's savory flavor and aroma are derived from the garlic, which is known for its pungent, slightly sweet, and complex taste. It is a staple in many cultures and can be found in restaurants, homes, and supermarkets all over the world. Garlic bread is a versatile and delicious addition to any meal.